Oh, why?
Everyone seems to love picking him.
Why do you hate me?
You are live on ImMadiKnow. Please do not swear.
Bullshit.
Fuck.
Unsubscribe. Subscribe so you still can.
It was good.
Remember, if you have Christmas skins for that champion, you have to pick them. Which means
Luckily, the
Nutcracker.
person I wanted to win won.
What is that sound? Oh, that was... What is that? She's just playing with the kazoo.
It's Urgot's new champion select quote.
I don't know how you pronounce your name. Just do me a favour, just go du-du-du-du-du. And keep doing it. Faster. There we go, he's got it.
I play the flute too.
Do it.
I like how TJ's trying to keep with the theme of the Christmas skins and everybody else is just like, yeah, fuck it, whatever.
Snowstorm.
It's okay, I got my Christmas skin on.
Oh yeah!
Toy Soldier.
Toy Soldier Gangplank is
You have
the
no
best.
idea how long I've wanted this Gangplank skin.
It is the best Gangplank.
I've wanted it since like it was.
I like the Minuteman one. Or Spooky Ghost.
To be
as
fair,
well.
all of Gangplank skins are pretty good.
Hack their kidneys out.
Tam,
Oh, wait,
Swain, Raggy,
Swan. Nothing wrong with Swan.
the
Go
Swan
Swan.
Tran,
My Swan
Doesn't
Tran
matter
is a
if
good
you
Tran.
got pulled.
Darude, Crowstorm.
Oh! Oh!
That's the new Fiddlestick skin.
That's the
That
sound.
is my new alt chat for every game that I play Swain. Thank you so much.
Who's playing Gangplank? Is it Tom?
No, I'm on the up. What the fuck, TJ?
No, the other
How do I
Tom.
even
Hello.
whisper?
Oh god, there's 3 Toms.
This is the worst Christmas.
Dildos are right, yeah.
Oh my god, thank you, Tom.
Which one?
All of them.
Yes. Get in my mouth, poro king.
Thank you.
Bonk.
Oh, God.
Get bonked, sir. The bonkening has begun.
Hi everyone.
God.
Damn it.
Hey TJ.
Hi TJ.
Bye, TJ. Bye, TJ.
Don't worry, mine's not.
Oh, I know yours is not.
Yar.
Fuck you, man.
You were juggling him up in the air.
Manamana all you like, sir.
Oh, bye bye.
Stacking manamanamas.
Mana moon. Mana moon.
I should get that.
Oh, fuck, I don't have flash. I'm not used to this not having flash business.
Get back here.
Pop! Abracadabra!
Insta heal me.
Who doesn't play anymore?
Okay, switch places.
Oh,
Fun.
Yeah, Lara.
And... Insect Gragas!
Dragster.
Suga there.
Gragsec, mate.
Fragset.
oh.
The rude Gragset.
The rude Gragsec. Una's back.
Welcome back.
My character. My PC.
You're still really shaky.
Arms are shaking.
Knees weak, Una spaghetti!
Spaghetti. Was everybody was thinking it.
Get off my tower.
Did you?
Fucking back on it.
Alternatively,
I'm going to clear the way.
on your tower.
You made me miss my arrow. Sorry.
Crowd goes spaghetti.
No.
That didn't hit?
Nah. Man, I'm faking.
Cheers. This isn't what I wanted.
No, your people need you.
This wasn't even slightly on my Christmas list. Oh, apparently
Hi.
my Christmas list.
Oh, fuck it. Thank
Don't
you!
have it.
Oh, the save.
Go on, do it! Do it! Do it! Yes!
They're reconnecting.
Yay.
Oh.
Fuck!
Yes, the little pro that could. The little get wrecked that could.
Nope.
Someone just tried to do Darude Sandstorm.
On the flute again.
What if I could eat them? No, I can't. That's
I'm genuinely, I'm not sure whether to be impressed or jealous, but either way, it's one of
Did
those.
you not listen to the entire stuff?
You jealous?
Before then?
Darude Plank Storm.
I can play it with my nose too.
Clean.
No, don't play it in the nose.
Wow.
But that's too
Darude nasal storm. Oh, fuck you, Fishbone. Get off me.
Oh, nearly.
Don't want your face.
Not this time.
Not like this.
Someone the Poro King! Someone the Poro King! Someone the Poro King! No, yeah, no, I just died instead.
No Poro King for you, sir. Damn it.
Timing.
Maybe Poro King for you.
Oh god.
Hello, Tom.
Oh god.
Leave me alone!
Leave me alone.
Just leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Why is no...
Oh, you just got chunked.
Yar. Get pirate. Run.
God fucking...
God fucking damn it, no!
Can we, please? Please? Please?
Oh, you just got.
You're on my team.
Can we stop attacking the next?
Not like this.
Wait 4 seconds.
Whee!
Now.
That time it nearly backfired.